Zombie apocalypse.
This is the MOOSOO 2-gallon wet back, shop back, whatever you want to call it. It's 3-in-1. It'll do wet, dry, and it'll blow if you move the hose. So it comes with a manual. It's got a 2,000 milliamp rechargeable battery in it, which they say takes 4 hours to charge. Good for about 45 minutes of use. Looks like where it charges. There's power for it. Let's see the charging cable in here. Looks like everything's inside here. So I'll do both sides. There's the filter if you need for dry. Take that off if you're going to do wet. Comes with a hose. A couple little brushes or vacuum attachments. Comes with a little hose clamp. Let me take the charging cable, another hose clamp, and the battery. So the battery goes in here. I don't know if this is charged or not. So I guess your power plugs into this port here. So you charge this while it's in here. I don't know if there's one on there. No, I don't see a charging port on it, so it's got to be charged in the unit. It does have a button you can push though. It's kind of nice. Tell you how much level of the battery's left. So it does look like it's charged. Oh, yep. Got a high and low. It's got a couple spots for your hoses and attachments. This thing only weighs 6 pounds, so it's pretty easy to carry and pick up. I mean, until you get 2 gallons of water in there. That'll be another 16 pounds. I like this. This is kind of nice. I got this more to probably clean my car with. So on here you can see where the hose goes. One's for intake and one's for blowing. So it just depends on where you put this hose at when you plug this in. It does have a couple little tabs on here. You gotta make sure you get that in there and then just turn it. Locks in place. So this should be on blow. Oh, do I not have the battery in there? I'll get the battery down back, I guess. Yeah, that's not going in there. Oh, there you go. It's a little harder to get that battery in there, it looks. So this is on blow. Yeah, it is blowing. See it blowing there. It's got a little bit of power to it. I don't blow leaves or anything with it, but I don't think that's what it's for. I like it. You should get it. Like I said, your little cut filter. You only need that if you're doing dry. It does have little instructions on top. How to clean it, maintain it.